Take 2 steps towards the open field of space for which to lie. There's so much to this life, it sits hard within my mind. You've got to live life better than your parents ever tried. And you sacrifice your time and then you sit back. And I hear you say, God damn, ain't this a beautiful world? Man, we got a beautiful world. And I said, God damn, ain't this a beautiful world? Life is a beautiful world.